Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how I made fried rice with just 5,000 naira. I only say 5,000 naira, but I'm sure it's lesser than that. So at first, here is my turkey, here is my green shombo, some people call it chili pepper, and I also have one red pepper, onions, green beans, or some people call it green peas. I think the canned one is green beans. I have my curry, I have my thyme, do a little bit of thyme. Then I have my ginger powder. I didn't see the normal ginger, so I had to buy the powder one. I have my onion, and then I have my carrots. Then that's the Maggi over there. Yeah, let's dive right in. So I boiled my turkey, slice the onions. This is the only onions I put in the one Derica pot of fried rice. And the turkey is just 1.5. 1.5. That three pieces that you're seeing is 1.5. So I don't have money, so I'm trying to like low budget fried rice, but very rich. It is low budget but very rich. So as a student, don't be scared to make fried rice when else you feel like eating it. So I boil the turkey. I make sure I put a little bit curry, a little bit thyme, but more curry. So 1.5 pieces of curry, but you can just put 1 pieces. I think I use just 1 piece of curry here, then a little bit thyme just for the toppings. So I boiled this thing. Note, all the curry goes inside the water that I used to boil the turkey, because that is where the flavor come from. Do you understand? So I put the Maggi, just 2 pieces of Maggi, 2 pieces of Maggi. So the other time that I put Maggi was this other Maggi. I will show you as the video proceeds. So I pour in my curry, as you can see, one curry, and you can add more to your own depending on how green you want it, but trust me, it came out good, very good. Not just taste good, it came out good. So I covered it. Here is the other Maggi that I put, Lazar chicken, just for the taste, to add a little bit flavor. So here is the ginger powder. I didn't see the ginger. I would have used normal ginger, so I bought ginger powder just to bring out that taste. You get a little bit, don't put too much. Why I use a little bit onions is because fried rice gets sour easily, so you have to be careful on how much onion you put inside so it doesn't get sour so easily. And if you are the type that could usually keep your food for longer time, you get. So after boiling the turkey, so I had to like fry it. And guess what? The same oil that I used to fry the turkey was the same oil that I used to cook the rice itself. So here is me pouring the oil inside the pot. Then I'm frying the turkey right here after boiling it already. So after it's dry, I take it away. This is the parboiled rice. And note, when I'm parboiling my rice, I don't take up to 1 or 2 minutes before I take it away, so because it has to be strong. I just want to parboil it. That's it. So here are the pepper. I've sliced all of them. The pepper, this thing that I showed you earlier. So here is my gizzard, as you can see, and the green peas. The gizzard, I just bought it 100 naira, 200 from one aboki like that. So you can buy more if you have the money. And here is me pouring the rice inside the oil. Then I'll keep stirring it. My parboiled rice though, let me be specific rather. And note, I use just 2 cubes of Maggi. Then that Lazar chicken seasoning also. That approximately, let's just say 3 cubes of Maggi. You understand? So after stirring the rice, I poured in the carrots, the green stuffs, and all that. The green stuff, but I've not poured this thing, what's it called, the green peas, because that one is very soft, so I don't want it to diminish inside the rice for now. So that would be like the topper, the last topper. So the gizzard and this thing, what's it called, the green beans or green peas, whatever it is called, because this one is the stronger one, not the one in the can. So that will be the last one that I pour. So I was just stirring. Here we have it. So I think I covered it. So now, and I pour the, what's it called, the water that I used to boil the turkey. That adds to the flavor. So more of the reason why I bought the turkey for just 1.5. It's just one arm. They asked them to cut it into 2, just to, you understand, I'm managing. So I just pour it here. Then I wait for it for a few minutes. So I covered it. then open it again. Then here is where I pour the gizzard and the green peas. Yes, so I now start stirring it. As you can see, it's green already, and the fried rice is fried in already. It's giving. Though the camera is not doing justice, wait until the end product. You see the real color and the real fried rice that I made. It was very delicious, very delicious. So I keep stirring so that everything can marinate. So I kept on stirring for like 2 minutes. Then I think I covered it later. So I just keep stirring. I kept on stirring. I would like to see your comments. Let me know in the comment section. Rate my fried rice. Let me know over 100. So after stirring like for like 1 minute, I covered it, then open it again. Boom. Our rice is done. So I just leave it for it to get dry a bit. So I just leave it for it to get dry a bit. Our food is done already. Here is it. Can you see? Even though my camera is not doing justice, but you can see how rich it is. Boom. Here is the end product. Can you see? Can you see how it looks? Confirm fried rice, not the sour. Confirm fried rice. Confirm. I will put the estimate of how I buy my stuff. I'll put everything in the description. You see how it goes, and I'll also put in the description how I made it, the process, for you to understand how it is done. It is very easy. So please, if you know you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share to your loved ones. Share to that your friend that you know doesn't know how to cook well. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. See you on my next video. Enjoy. And if you want this type of pot of fried rice, you can holla. Yes, you can reach out to me. I can make it.